It's the most wonderful time of the year. I've got many talents, but unfortunately singing is not one of them. Ciao beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. Just want to say big thank you to all the new subscribers that recently joined the channel. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. It means a lot to me. Today I want to share a kind of like a product review by the lovely Kambella. Kambella is the company founded by the lovely Katie. Katie is basically the cousin of Jamie's sister-in-law, so it's part of the family. And me and Katie met on Vicky's, which is Katie's cousin and Jamie's sister-in-law 30th birthday party, and we were chatting away, and Katie told me that she has this lovely company, and Katie makes this fantastic watercolor glitter color in there. I just want to quickly show you everything, and they're all vegan, they're all handmade, and they're all handmade here in UK, and then it's brilliant. So this is Katie personal information, so I can take a screenshot. Please go and visit Katie website, and then she's on Instagram, Facebook, and her email address. You get a lovely note with each order. Hi Antonio, I hope you enjoy your paints. Thank you for trying them out for me, Katie. Really nice. Again, these paints are completely handmade here in UK. They're vegan and cruelty free and do not contain toxic chemicals or preservatives. To use, add a few drops of water to the pan, wait a few moments, and then swish them around to release the pigment. I'm just going to have a quickly try on with you guys, and everything comes wrapped in a really beautiful gold tissue paper. She knows me well with the gold. Thank you. It's brilliant, absolutely beautiful. And this is what I like about small independent business. You will see more of this on my channel next year. I have one last sponsored video for a big company coming up in the next couple of weeks, and this collaboration was pre-agreed before summer, and then with 2022 I will only work and share independent small businesses, because this is what I want to do, and I want to support independent artists that literally quit a job to follow their dreams. And yeah, that's what I want to do. So I'm really pleased to showcase Katie's colors, Campbella. So all the colors come in this beautiful package, and then they're magnetic, so you can just put it into this little container. I mean, look at them. Katie, I told Katie that I love gold, so she sent me, and pink together, she sent me this lovely color. So this is called Roxanne. This is called Dorothy. I mean, can you just name that in another way? It's so Dorothy, the Wizard of Oz. I mean, look at that. I can't wait to try this. And then we've got Queen, which is me. Honeycomb, Hay Fever. So that's what's on the tin. And then she sent me all these samples. Persephone, I hope I pronounce it right. It is amazing gold olive, green applejack, charm, super glittery, potions, wonderlust, cherry bomb. I mean, look at that. Look how pigmented it is. Miss Mona. It's a very nice, I know on camera it looks, but in real life it's more like a rust, pinkish purple. I'm terrible at explaining colours. And then I'm loving, Katie, I absolutely love this packaging. They look like eyeshadow that you probably want to put in your eyes, but better not to. And they're so creamy, I just don't want to touch it. It's funny because it's a really hard, nice consistency, and then, as you can see, it doesn't come off, only when you wet them. So this is called Amber. In fact, I'm going to leave it open. And this is called Ruby. I mean, look at that. So what am I going to do, guys, because I don't want to make this video extremely long, I'm just going to try every single one of these colors, and I'm going to do swatches here on this white watercolor paper so you guys can see them, and then we're going to do a project with it. Okay, so I'm going to speed it up, put some music on the background for you to enjoy. Okay, guys, look at them, and it is a shame because it's hard because I've got two big lights shining on me, but look, oh yeah, you can see them here. I mean, look at them. They're absolutely gorgeous. So if you do want watercolor, metallic and glitter paint, please show Kate some love and support. And yes, support more independent UK businesses. I mean, this one, which is, I'm sure is that's the Applejack. Those two here, which I'm gonna show you in just a moment. I mean, that is gorgeous. Don't know if you can see. I think if I zoom in, yeah, I think the only way for you to see the glitters, the shimmery, is if I put them on the very, yes, zoom in, focus on them. Thank you very much, camera. And they're all sustainable glitters as well. I mean, look at those. I am speechless. I've never seen any watercolor, gold watercolor like those two, and we're going to use those two in today's project. And then, to be fair, I have been extremely lazy. I've used the same water when I was rinsing off the brush. But of course, you get a better idea when if you work with several colors. I will suggest you change the water because you get some glitters that can go in between the two different colors. But I mean, I absolutely adore. Can you see the glitters there? I mean, look at that. Yes, I'm sure I can see them live, but I'm sure you can pick them up on the camera. Can you see the glitters there? Wow, thank you so much, Katie, for sending me all these gorgeous colors to try. And please, guys, if you do wish to buy some gold watercolors, glitter red metallic watercolors, please go to Kambella, and Katie's website is here. It's kambella.co.uk. Okay, so let's make some tags together. Got here some of these. This is a 12 by 12 cardstock that is all got this beautiful wood effect. And then I got some of these Christmas stamps. I got this one. This was part of a kit, Christmas kit. Don't ask me where it came from because I genuinely, guys, can't remember. Then I got this one here when you get 3, 6, 8 tags. I'm sure I've done a video tutorial with this either last year or the year before. If I found it, I will put the link in the info box because those tags are absolutely gorgeous. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna stamp them and create mini tags, and then we're gonna decorate it together with the two Kambella gold colors, so the honeycomb and the hay fever. So we're going to use those two to color the tags. So I'll see you shortly. Okay guys, finished, all done, and I'm going to show you all the tags, and I put some jingle bell, a little jingle bell in there. As you can see, I just wanted a really fine shimmer effect. Now if I put it really close, you'll be able to see the glitter on the watercolor. And yeah, I just put this really pop of red color because I didn't want to make them look shabby or anything. I just want them to look rustic but still quite Christmassy. Look at that. It's the most wonderful time of the year. I've got many talents, but unfortunately singing is not one of them. Never mind. And I don't know about you guys, but when you work with glitter or watercolor glittering things, normally you ended up having glitters in your kitchen, in your bathroom, in your pants, in your bras, everywhere. But no, honestly, my hands are perfectly clean. There's not glitter on the desk. I love them, absolutely love them. So thank you so much, Katie, for sending them across. I'm really enjoyed using your colors. Don't forget guys to show Katie some love and support. I put all Katie's link in the info box so you can go and check her out. Quickly want to show you my page for the Woolly Steph Art Club. The prompt was numbers, so I have made this page here. It's still a bit wet, so you just need to be a bit careful. So what I did, this is just patterned card. So you had the stripes with the blue and the violet, and then what I did, I used my gold. You saw me use this million times. It's the Pibeo Gold Renaissance. Wet my finger and I create these more stripes on the background and all around the edges there. And then I have made the numbers using, this is embossing folder from Craft to You. To be fair, I think it's been gifted to me because I don't remember buying it. I'm sure it came from a Happy Mail. So I've got this one. So what I did, I put it through the Big Shot and I've made these lovely numbers. And as you can see here, you've got two, because it's like a calculator. So you've got two sizes numbers, the bigger one there, and there's more one here on the bottom. And then you've got all your signs, so your plus, your equals, and all. You've got the fifth, so first, second, and third, etc. So that's what I did. So I put it through the Big Shot. I've used two different cardstock. So I used more like this baby blue, more this like navy, dark navy, sort of like violet, because there is a bit of there is a hint of purple in here. And then again with the gold wax all over with my finger, so you get this really nice 3D effect embossed. And I simply place them randomly on the page. I added some of the sequins. I had this blue sequins when at the beginning of the week you saw me making the shaker, and I still had the sequins here on the desk, and I thought, oh, actually they match the color of the background and give it that extra sparkle as well as the gold. And then with my gold pen I created these little dots, so it looks more like a dust, fairy dust, sparkling sort of effect. I'm really pleased. I really like it actually. Yeah, I think it blends really well. I think it works really well together. That is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, as usual, give me a big thumbs up, because that will support the channel and the video as well. As usual, you'll find me on Facebook group, and it's a very interactive community, so I will put the link again in the info box, so you can guys send me a request. And you can also find me on Instagram and Pinterest. All my social medias link are in the info box. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and until next time, stay safe and farewell.